I am Abby. I was just looking around for a nursery landscaping job because I had previous experience as a landscaper. And I heard through the grapevine of some friends that were like, oh my gosh, Brownswood is amazing. It's a huge nursery, it's so many great opportunities. And so I had an interview and the staff was just amazing and the management were just so kind and so gracious and so willing to teach me and let me know, here's what we expect and here's how you can grow, and we want the best for you and we want you to be able to have the best. And that really drew me to them because I was like, okay, so they want me to succeed. It's not about just making the money, it's about how can we help you and the customers succeed, and how can we best help the customers have the best experience that they can have while they're here or also off-site. I just was blown away because I have never worked before in a place where everyone is so incredibly helpful. There isn't a bad one in the bunch, and I was like, oh wow, I've never experienced that before. I remembered that they had told me, we have a growth mindset. And I was like, sure, okay. And then I came here and I was like, they really do have a growth mindset. Not only just about the plants, but the deep care for the people that came in. We don't hurry and rush through it like, that's fine, you're done, like I'm done with you. It was like, we will answer every question. We will help you find the best plants for your situation. We're not going to give you something that we don't think is going to thrive. And we aren't going to give you a plant or suggest a plant just to make a buck. I just have never worked in a place like that that has been all about the people more than the profit.